Christian, I'm not shouting, I'm clean living. I'm whispering, I was lost. Now I'm found and forgiven. When I say I am a Christian, I don't speak of this with pride. I'm confessing that I stumble and need Christ to be my guide.
Yeah.
When I say I am a Christian, I'm not trying to be strong. I'm professing that that I am weak and I need His strength to carry on.
Yeah.
When I say I'm a Christian, I'm not bragging of success. I'm admitting that I failed and need God to clean my mess. When I say I'm a Christian, I'm not claiming to be perfect. My flaws are clear and visible, but God believes I'm worth it. When I say I'm a Christian, I still feel the sting of pain. I have my share of heartaches, so I call upon His name. When I say I'm a Christian, I am not holier than thou. I'm just a simple sinner who receives God's good grace somehow.
Oh, yes.
Amen.
Amen.